All right, we're in chapter 12, section 6. We're doing rational expressions with like denominators. It's really simple. It's a lot of simplifying. Let's look at example 1 here. Okay, we got 3n plus 7n. 3n divided by 12 plus 7n divided by 12. Okay, we have a liked denominator. Okay, denominator's the bottom, 12 and 12. Okay, they're alike. So we can bring those both over if we find our numerator. Okay, numerator, we can add these both because, it says 3n plus 7n, okay? We can simplify that. 3n plus 7n is 10n, okay? We haven't messed with 12. We don't have to. We have a common one. We're all good there, okay? So now, we got 10n divided by 12. All we have to do is simplify now, okay? Can we simplify 10 and 12? What number goes into 10 and 12? I know 2 goes into it, okay? 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we're going to have 5n divided by 6. Can we simplify it any further than that? 5 and 6, they got nothing in common. N, it has nothing in common. We're going to leave it there. That's as far as we can go, okay? Let's look at example 2, okay? We got 2x divided by x plus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 1. Do we have a common denominator? We do. So that's going to be our denominator. We're going to bring them over. X plus 1 is our denominator. Can we add these together? We can. Actually, we can't really add them together, remember, because we can't add things that aren't alike. 2x plus 2, we're just going to bring it over as 2x plus 2. Now, if this was 2x plus 2x, we would have 4x, okay? But it's 2x plus 2. So we're just going to bring it over, leave it in this form, okay? Now, we can simplify 2x plus 2, okay? How we can simplify that is we can say what goes into 2x and what goes into 2. What common factor do they have? 2, right? We can pull out a 2, and we're left with x plus 1, right? 2 goes into 2x, okay, it goes in there. 2's cancel, we're left with x. 2 goes into 2, they cancel, we're left with 1. So we got 2 times x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now, can we cross anything out that is alike that's in the numerator and the denominator? X plus 1, right? We can cross both of those out. They both turn into 1, okay? So we're left with 2 times 1 divided by 1, okay? 2 times 1 is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. And that's as far as we can go, okay? Make sure you understand how to simplify this part. This isn't real hard, okay? Don't worry about example 3. We're not going to worry about finding the perimeter right now. Let's move on to example 4. Do we have a like denominator? 3x plus 4 divided by x minus 2 minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Do we have a common denominator? We do, okay? Now, we're going to subtract 3x plus 4 minus x minus 1, okay? We can't really subtract those right away, okay, because they aren't alike, okay? So we're just going to write them down for now. 3x plus 4 minus x minus 1, okay? Don't worry about this step. I don't really know what they're doing, okay? So, now, if we look at this, how did they simplify it? They put this subtraction sign into our x minus 1, okay? It changes this x into a negative x, changes this negative 1 into a positive 1. Now, all we got to do is combine like terms in the top, okay? 3x minus x is 2x. 4 plus 1 is 5, and we haven't messed with x minus 2 the entire time, okay? Can we simplify anything here? And by simplifying, I mean, can anything reduce down? Can anything be crossed out? It can't, okay? 2x plus 5 divided by x minus 2 is as far as we can go, okay? Example 5. Pretty much the same thing that we've been doing. You shouldn't have any problems with the examples. They're really similar to example 1, 2, and 4, okay? let me know if you got any questions. I'll be glad to help you guys out. You got problems on page 675, 15 through 17. Make sure you find your common denominator. Then do your best to simplify as far down as you can. All right? Good luck.